What's going on, guys? Rover here. In this video, I'm going to go over the 6 reasons why, right here, 6 reasons why I'm transitioning to wholesale on Amazon. Don't worry, all my booksellers out there, I've done 90,000 in book sales the last 30 days. I'm going to continue to scale my book business, but I'm adding wholesale to my business model, selling weird products like this, maybe even toothbrushes, different products other than my traditional way of selling on Amazon. For the last few years, I've been very successful selling books on Amazon. I've been very fortunate. I've stumbled across lucky opportunities to scale my book business to $1 million plus a year. But now I'm going to add wholesale to my business, and it's really for these 6 main reasons. And some of these reasons maybe can resonate with you. Maybe these reasons will make you consider wholesale as well. But a lot of these are, just for me and my unique life situation that I'm in right now. And this is why I'm adding wholesale to my business. So number 1, products other than books have a much higher sell-through rate. So books take anywhere from 3 to 6 months to sell. You should sell about 20% of your inventory every month. With other products, at least from the people I'm learning from as many people as possible. When I started learning books, I learned from everybody I could. I got as many mentors as possible. I paid to go to all the events. I did everything I could to learn as quickly as possible. I'm doing the same exact thing with wholesale. So shout out to Watch Me Amazon, Amazon Lit, Dan and Dylan in Kentucky with the wholesale formula. Gabe out here in Miami, he's personally mentoring me. I'm gonna hire 2 coaches to help me with this. I'm really going hard on wholesale. And it's because of the sell-through rate, the higher sell-through rate. They say, most of these people say their sell-through rate is anywhere from 30 to 45 days, which is absolutely insane to me. So that means when they have a product, when they ship it to Amazon, 100% of the units sell through within 45 days. To me, it sounds too good to be true, but if it is true, I want a piece of that pie. The second reason is wholesale is much more scalable. I've built a book business that's scalable because if you guys watch my videos, I always talk about replenishable sources. Get sources that you can have time and time again. Meaning, every single month, this source is gonna bring you 500 books or 1,000 books, whatever it is. If you focus on replenishable sources, you can scale your Amazon business to whatever size you want to. Now, in wholesale, opposed to online arbitrage, retail arbitrage, thrifting, finding books, selling on eBay, thrifting items, opposed to all of those ways of really, the right word for it's probably just arbitrage, going out finding items to resell. The difference with a wholesale business is once you get a solid connection with a distributor or a brand owner, you can continue to order products from them over and over again. So it's very, very predictable how many units you can order each month, how much revenue you're gonna do, how much money you need to spend, and it's scalable from your living room with the power of Amazon FBA, because all you need to do in a lot of cases is order from wholesalers. They'll ship it directly to Amazon. They'll pack, prep everything for you, and you don't even have to have a warehouse or anything. So it's scalable in that sense, and that's why I'm pursuing wholesale as well. There's also, and this is something that has come up in the last few days. Amazon, everybody watching this right now who's an Amazon seller knows that Amazon just hit us with restock limits, meaning that we only have, before Amazon said you have this much storage, and most people had unlimited storage. Meaning you can send as many products to Amazon and they won't limit you as long as you send them good shit. Now, what they're saying is you still have unlimited storage, but you have restock limits for different categories. So booksellers are getting absolutely screwed right now because books, CDs, DVDs are very small items. They don't take up a lot of space, but there are a high number of units that we all have in stock. And I think there's 4 main categories. I'm not sure exactly which categories books are under, but under the book category, most booksellers were limited at their current number of inventory. So one of my Amazon accounts has 12,000 items, and we got limited right around 12,000 items. So we cannot go over 12,000 until Daddy Bezos gives us permission to do so. So with wholesale, there's other categories that I have not hit my restock limit on yet. So what I'm gonna do is pursue those categories. So when I do wholesale, I'm gonna say, okay, we're currently not doing shoes. There's a shoe category, I'm pretty sure. There may be like I think an overstock category for big items. Okay, let's go ahead and find big items that we can, like chairs and stuff that we can wholesale. So that's another reason right there. Reason number 4 is I want to diversify my income from books. You know, the book market's going to fluctuate up and down. I want to make sure that I have, you know, during Q4, or let's say during the summertime, books aren't the best during the summertime. Maybe I could sell landscaping equipment or lawn furniture. So now I balance out my book business. I know during Q4, during the textbook seasons, January and August, when students go back to class, my book business is going to explode during those months. But what about during the off months? Now I can offset that with different categories in wholesale. I also have the potential, this is reason number 5, I have the potential to go international. So with books, I get people from Guatemala, I get people from Australia, I get people from Europe asking me, can I build a book business in my country? And I'm like, I don't know. I don't even know if you guys have books in your country. Do you guys read? You gotta tell me. I'm not even sure. I don't know if you guys have libraries. I don't know if you have thrift stores. I don't know the situation. I don't know if you can build a book business the way I build a book business in America. But I know that in every country, most countries, I was about to say they use toilet paper, but most countries, every country has the essential items. Every country has items that they buy. And I don't know about books. So with wholesale, I can go international. I can sell in various marketplaces. And, you know, Brazil is a growing marketplace. I've heard Brazil's a great place to start doing business now, not particularly with Amazon, but just businesses in general. These developing countries are getting ready to explode with the same type of explosion that we saw in America. So being able to have this knowledge here in America, I can take it to other countries and build my business there. That's reason number 5. Reason number 6 is it's my impact. It's my goal to impact 100 Amazon sellers and give them the ability to go full time. So I want 100 people under my belt who I have taught personally how to sell on Amazon full time via my free content on YouTube, maybe via my paid content. I have paid courses, maybe just, you know, a phone call or passing by. I'm able to just give them information. I'm able to help them. I'm the guy. I'm not just a bookseller. I'm also somebody who can help you sell wholesale on Amazon. You know, 10 years is going to pass by, and I don't want to just be somebody who's reselling books. I want to be an Amazon expert. So it's about time for me to expand my arsenal past books. I'm going to maintain my book business. I'm going to grow my book business, but I'm also going to add wholesale because I really believe that this could be the bridge for many people. A lot of my students live in the middle of nowhere, and with wholesale, it doesn't matter where you live. You can live wherever, and you can scale your Amazon business. So those are the 6 reasons why I'm pursuing wholesale. Hopefully that video was helpful for you. If it was, smash that like button below, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.